What if I told you that your first $1,000 could become the foundation of long-term wealth? The biggest mistake beginners make isn't investing too little, it's waiting too long. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to invest your first $1,000 without gambling or chasing the latest hype. Step 1. Build your safety net first. Before buying a single stock, make sure you have enough cash set aside for unexpected expenses. Investing should always be done with money you won't need tomorrow. Step 2. Open a trusted brokerage account. Choose a beginner-friendly platform with low fees, fractional shares, and easy-to-use tools. This allows you to start investing even if some stocks seem expensive. Step 3. Don't put all $1,000 into one stock. Diversification is your secret weapon. Instead of betting everything on one company, spread your investment across several strong businesses or consider a broad market index fund that tracks hundreds of companies. Step 4. Invest in companies you understand. Look for businesses with steady earnings, strong leadership, growing revenue, and products people use every day. Great investing is about owning quality companies, not chasing viral trends. Step 5. Invest gradually. Instead of investing the entire $1,000 in one day, consider dividing it into smaller investments over several weeks or months. This strategy helps reduce the impact of market swings. Step 6. Reinvest your returns. If your investments pay dividends, reinvesting them allows your money to compound over time, helping your portfolio grow faster. Finally, stay patient. The stock market rewards consistency, not panic. Ignore daily headlines, keep learning, and continue investing regularly whenever you can. Remember, many successful investors didn't become wealthy overnight, they built wealth one smart investment at a time. If this video helped simplify investing, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Every week, I share practical money strategies, beginner investing guides, and wealth-building tips designed to help you make smarter financial decisions. Your journey to financial freedom starts with that very first investment, so why not start today?